Look at that one. There's a lake, another lake. And there's a cabin inside the lake over there. It's really pretty. Muntik na ako madapa. Take the camera out would be loud. There's Bill. There's the Bill right there. Grabe. Workout to mga guys. Having my workout. Whew. Oh, windy and chilly. Come on. Because it's on video. It's cold. Oh, there's the pen right there. What's beautiful is in that lake where we went last time. Like when we saw people.
Look at the pine needles blowing off the tree.
You see that, guys? Very windy. See all the leaves falling off the trees. Oh wow, really windy. It's not raindrop, it's leaves. All the leaves falling off the trees. So next weekend is probably gonna be peak here.
Hard to say. We got the wind blowing an awful lot of leaves off.
Back in the countryside. Typically at this time of the year, hindi pa ganun ka peak. Pero nag-iiba na yung mga ano. Nag-iiba na yung mga color. Sorry for the smudges on the windshield. Umulan kasi. It's been raining on and off. This is beautiful. That's really nice. Dagan. Wow. Wow. Wow, did you see that? That's pretty. Except for my smudges. That's beautiful. Lovely, very lovely. It's already fallen off the trees. Look at that pretty one.
We're gonna call this the end.
Following me. Following me. It's beginning and it's starting. So